Mediterranean tuna is special, and many people think that ventresca is the most special part of tuna.
Sì, siamo arrivati alla parte più pregiata.
This is the creme de la
del
creme,
pesce.
or the prime rib, or whatever you want to call it.
Possiamo
Prime
disquisire se il filetto, ma
Right.
comunque questa con tutto il grasso che c'ha la rende morbida, gustosa.
Yeah, so you can see it's really fatty, okay, and it's just super special. So, and the color, it's like a pink, you know, so different from the filetto. You know, the filetto is like purple,
Yeah,
and this is like, it's so fatty, I guess.
Sì, perché è solo il grasso, è la parte che tiene la pancia, che tiene.
It covers the stomach.
Sì,
Okay.
la parte addominale, diciamo.
Okay. So, what are we gonna do with the ventresca today?
Semplicità,
Simplicity.
la scottiamo in padella,
Okay.
la tagliamo, ci mettiamo un po' di rosmarino, aglio, pomodoro secco, rucola e pomodori di cura.
Okay. We're gonna add a little rosemary, garlic, rocket, cherry tomatoes from Pula, which is a specialty from this region, sun-dried tomatoes, and a little parsley. So when you cook the ventresca, you sear it like this because you really don't want, I mean, you only eat this raw,
Sì,
okay?
più cruda possibile.
Rare,
è meglio.
or
Sì,
super,
sì.
super rare. Okay.
E per il nostro filo duro buono.
Touch of oil. We're gonna sear it in a hot pan. And you used just a little oil because it's fatty, right?
Sì, sì.
I mean, you don't.
Giusto per non attaccare, cioè, anche se è una padella antiaderente, ma
Yeah. Just a tiny bit because you just don't need it. So, as I was saying, Pula is famous for its cherry tomatoes. The first time I tasted a cherry tomato in Sardinia, I asked my friends why they put sugar on their tomatoes, and they started laughing at me. They're super sweet. Super sweet and super delicious. Lo sai, veramente, la prima volta che ho assaggiato...
pensavi che ti avessero fatto uno scherzo.
No, pensavo ci fosse il zucchero. Ho detto, perché mettete lo zucchero sul pomodoro? Oh, look how pretty that is. Wow. That's perfect. Good job, chef. Okay, so now we're gonna plate. A little rocket.
Sì, perché dato che la lasciamo cruda è meglio, questo bisogna fare tutto veloce, no?
Okay.
Perché quando ti arriva il tavolo deve essere caldo anche dentro.
Okay. So,
Dunque.
since we're making it rare, we're gonna make it a really quick, simple dish. Because you want it to get when to the table, you want it to be warm. So just gonna. Pretty.
Vedi tutti i filamenti di grasso.
Oh yeah. Yeah, wow. Look at that. So friends, if you want to do this live, we'll have a group of people come on a Trigo Chef tour, and we will spend a whole day with Marco and Daniele and everybody at Zia Leonora, and we will clean a fish and we'll cook all of these dishes together, and then of course we'll have to eat them. So that was garlic and oil. This is the rosemary and the sun-dried tomato. And then we have the cherry tomatoes from Pula. And that, my friends, we're gonna top it off with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil. And that, my friends, is a ventresca masterpiece. With parsley. Voila!
La parte più difficile adesso.
This is the most difficult part, I know. Somebody's got to do it. It's a tough job.
Qualcuno deve farlo. Adesso. Vai.
Okay. Wow, this is just a real thing of beauty here.
Senti com'è. Le papille gustative che fanno pam 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 pam.
My God. You need the tomatoes, you need the sun-dried tomatoes, you need the rosemary, because that's fatty tuna.
Ha bisogno di qualcosa.
It needs, oh yeah, it needs it. It's incredible. I love it. Wonderful.